where it was leaking and less. And I know it's hard to see in here. It's not the greatest, but I don't know if that is signs of where maybe it was leaking right there. If you can see that, because that does look like liquid coming in here. Because it was pressurizing when it got warm. And if you look here, that head gasket don't look that bad yet. But I have a brand new gasket and a brand new head. Alright, so as you can see, I got a brand new little head, and it's the one I need too, as far as I can tell. It's exactly what I need, and it was packaged really good. And it's MyMROmarts, I believe that's how you pronounce it. So then they also sent me this as well. Alright, and then they also sent me this as well. And I did ask them if they had any kind of a banner I could hang up in here, because I like banners. So they made this one. This is really nice. So I'm going to put this up on a nice piece of live edge and probably hang it in here over the mill. Can you see that?
Yep.
Of live edge and probably hang it in here over the mill. Can you see that?
Yep.
I think it's MyMROmarts, right?
I think so. I think that's how you pronounce it.
MyMROmarts. But it should go back together pretty good. I just got to clean the top of that. They sent me everything, so we will clean that and we'll get this put back together here very shortly, and we'll see how it goes. I'm just really tickled pink that they reached out to me and offered to help us out with this. So yeah, thank you very much. MyMROmarts, right there. If you folks are looking for industrial parts, Caterpillar, Kubota, whatever, check them out. I'm pretty sure you'll like what you see on there. 30-day return exchange. That's nice.